Assalamualaikum all viewers and dear students. We are proceeding exercise 4.4 question number 4. Find the higher order derivative for the following function. So part 1, part A, if f of x is given, how we calculate for derivative of this function. We are differentiating with respect to x. We are differentiating with respect to x on both sides of this equation. So dy by dx f of x is equal to dy by dx x cube plus 4x plus 4. Now according to the power exponent rule, we know that power n. So f dash x, if we are finding n x n power n minus 1, and for the derivative of this function is 1. So we are using this rule, f dash x is equal to, so power first of all we bring here 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 and 4 minus 1, and for the derivative of this function we write just like this function x derivative we take 1, and here is x cube plus 4x plus 5. We get here 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 power 3, and derivative of this function we get 3x square plus 4x plus constant derivative of 0, because as we know that constant rule derivative of any constant with respect to c, and here is 5, so it means that constant is 0. Now x square plus 4x, this is the available, so we are using multiplication rule or product rule here. Again differentiating with respect to x on both sides of this equation. So we write here dy by dx f dash x is equal to dy by d. Here 4 is constant, we take from the outside dy by dx x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole cube into 3x square plus 4x. Now we are using here product rule. Means we know that the product rule f of x is equal to u dot v. We are taking derivative, so derivative we take second function derivative plus and taking the first function derivative. So here we are using product rule. For this will be equal to double dash x, first prime change in double dash because of dy by d is second derivative. So 4 and x cube plus 4x plus 5 power 3, and derivative of this function we take here, this function derivative is 6x plus 4 plus 3x square plus 4x into derivative of this function. So we 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 power 3 minus 1 2, and further derivative of this function we take the derivative of further function of this function. We write here this function 3x square and 3x square plus 4x, and derivative of this function 3 into x cube plus 4x plus 5 power 2, and for the derivative of this function we get 3x square plus 4 and constant derivative is 0. Now simplify this term, so we get 4 x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole cube 6x plus 4 into plus 3x square plus 4x, and here we get 3 is, here we are bringing multiplication 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 square 3x square plus 4 3x square plus 4. Also square is available, we take common from here. 6 x for another term is not possible, so here 4x cube plus 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole cube, and taking common, so square is common, so x cube plus 4x plus 5 into 6x plus 4 plus 3x square, 3 into 3x square plus 4x into 3x square plus 4. Because this x square is common, just in one term is remaining, power is 1. So now we simplify this term, 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 square. So we multiply this term, 6 multiply 6, x power 4 plus 24x square plus 30x. Now 4 is multiplied, plus 4x cube plus 16x plus 20. Now multiply this term, plus 9x square plus 12x into 3x square plus 4. F double dash x is equal to 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole square, 6x power 4 plus 24x, 4x cube plus 4x cube plus 24x square plus 30x, this will be 46x plus 46x plus constant value is 20. Now open this, we get 9x square 27, x power 4, 36x square plus 36x cube plus 48x. We check this one, 27x square plus 36x square plus 36x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole square and 6x power 4. Here is x power 4 and x power 4, we add this one. So we get here 6 plus 27, 31, x power 4 and x cube and x cube 36, we get 40x cube 24x square and 36x square. We add this term, 36, 10 and 60, 60 plus 60, x square plus x, 46 and 46 this term, 46 this term. If we add this term, so 8 plus 6, 14 and 94x, and constant, what is the constant here, plus 20. The second derivative, we are finding the third derivative of this function. We are applying here the rule once again. We are using product rule, again differentiating third derivative if we are finding. So for this is u and v as complete term, x cube plus 4x plus 5, and derivative of this function 4 and 12 124 x cube plus 120 x square plus 120x plus 94. Now plus, because we are using addition, 31x power 4 plus 40x cube plus 60x square plus 94x plus 20, and derivative of this function we take common, and 2 and 2 x cube plus 4x plus 5, and 2 minus 1 1, and further derivative of this function 3x square plus 4 x cube plus 4x plus 5, and here we take common 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 is common, so we get here x cube plus 4x plus 5, one term is remaining, and 124 x cube plus 120 x square plus 120x plus 94 plus 31. This term is common, so we get here 6 6x square plus 8. If 2 multiply by here, 2 multiply by 3 6, and 2 multiply by 4 8, and this term 31 x power 4 plus 40x cube plus 60x square plus 94x plus 20. Further simplify, third derivative is equal to 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 common, and we multiply this term by x cube, we get here 124x power 6, and further plus 120x power 5, 120x power 4 plus 94x cube. Now further 496 x power 4 plus 0 480 x multiplied by x square x cube plus 480 x square plus 4 multiplied by 4 16 376x plus 5 multiplied by 50 620 x cube plus 5 multiplied by 600 x square plus 600 x plus 5 multiplied by 470. This is the value of this term. Now we multiply this term to each other. So 6 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 1 6 186 x power 6 plus 6 multiplied by this term we get 240 x multiplied by x x square x power 5 plus 6 multiplied by 6 0 360 x power 4 plus first 100 6 multiplied by 5 x cube 6 multiplied by 120 x square. Now multiply by 8 plus 8 x power 4 plus x cube plus 8 multiplied by x square plus x plus now 4x cube plus 4x plus 5 common. So x power 6 we search at x power 6. X power 6 is one term is this one and other x power 6 is not available. So these two terms we add 6 plus 4 we get 10 3 plus 3 10 2 500 x power 6 plus x power 5 is one this term and other term we get here. So 0 4 6 2 360 x power 4 x power 5 plus 1 is x power 4 and the other is 1 x power 4 and the other is an x power 4 and 240. We add all these four terms 120 2 to 4 all these terms. If we add we get 1224 x power 4 plus x cube term we search that one x cube term that one x cube and other x cube and last this one. So 484 x cube plus x square is required. X square term is 480 120 and 480 x square. Now the value of x is remaining. X is 3 and other 600 and other is 600 x value is 750 1728 x plus constant value is required. Constant is here 470 130. So this is the value of if we are taking 4 x cube plus 4x plus 5 and derivative of this function. So we get here 0 and 3006 is multiplied by x power 5 plus 0 1805 is multiplied by this term and 1 is subtracted from the power and plus 4 is multiplied by this term. So x cube plus 3 we get here this value and x square plus 3200x plus 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 7 to 8. The derivative of x is 1. This is constant 0. Now plus 4 is common from both with 500 x power 6 plus 360 x power 5 plus 1224 x power 4 plus 1984 x cube plus 1600 x square plus 1728 x plus 6300 630. Now the derivative of this function. 3x square plus 4. Derivative we will get. Thanks once again for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching once again.